Anas bin Sirin said that he said to Hazrat ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu, "Tell me about 2 units which I perform before the morning prayer. Should I make lengthy recitation in it?" Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would perform the prayer in twos at night, and by suffixing 1 unit, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would make these units odd in number. He said, "I am not asking you about it." Hazrat ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu said, "You are extremely strict. Won't you let me narrate the whole hadith?" Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would perform the prayer in twos at night, making them odd in number by the last unit, and perform 2 units before the obligatory prayers of the Fajr, while the prayer call was reaching his ears. Khalaf has mentioned, "Tell me about 2 units" in his narration and did not mention the prayer. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 1758.